Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to be talking to you about Imagitarium's Activated Carbon Pellets and Zeolite Crystal Mix. Yeah, most people use these for fresh and saltwater aquariums. Essentially, what they do is they can improve the color of your tank. They can also improve the odor that can develop in fish tanks after a long time. The thing is, I use them a bit differently, so I can't really speak for aquarium owners or fish tank owners, as I use them for my succulent garden. I built a little succulent garden a few months ago, and one of the layers that I decided that I needed to put in my garden was these activated carbon pellets. And essentially what you do is you can start by, when you have your pot, you can put these in the bottom of the pot, and they help with air filtration in containers that are non-drainage. So the pots that I was using didn't have a draining system. There was really no way for water to get through, so essentially most of those pots you would just have water sitting and becoming stagnant, and that could be a huge issue for any plant. So essentially what these do is they can just help to somehow, and I couldn't tell you the science behind it, but essentially help to get air into the bottom of your pot and help the water to rise out and leave. So it's really, really nice. Basically, this is the one way that I could help to keep the roots from rotting by removing that organic waste and filtering the water and air. Overall, just very, very helpful. And you guys can take a look inside really quick so you can, if I can unscrew it. Hold on. Trying to do this with one hand here. Put that down. Alrighty. Lid is usually very easy to come off. I haven't opened this up since I built them. But yeah, that's kind of just what they look like. Almost like rabbit food. So, you're not going to see these if you're building a little succulent garden and if you want it to look aesthetically pleasing, don't worry, you're not going to be able to see these at all. They're going to be on the bottom layer. But very, very, very necessary if you are planning on doing it at home. This specific brand, Imagitarium, I've heard a lot about them before. I actually used to have a fish tank, and I used to use these in that fish tank. I got rid of it quite a while ago, just a lot of upkeep. But, I came back to them because I trust this brand, that they're really easy to get a hold of. They have tons of different products. I also use their sand. So, I trusted that they would do the job and do the job well. And, this is a pretty small container, although you really don't need much. You really just need a thin layer. So, depending on the size of the garden that you decide to build, there may or may not be enough pellets in here for you. I barely used any, as you can see. I guess little garden that I built was about, the size of this table from here to here. So really just a small and pretty narrow as well. So really you just need a small layer, which is cool. This one is, 14 ounce container. I don't even know if they come in different other size containers, but yeah, that's the one this one came in. Pellets are pH stable, phosphate-free, for those of you who are interested. And, the other cool thing about this is it comes in a nice and easy to store container. It's basically just like a little jar, almost like a little mason jar with a plastic lid on top, which is cool. You can close it up nicely. I have another one of their products, which is just a bag. I'm not really too fond of the plastic bag sort of thing. So, I really dig that they put this one in a little jar. It has a handle right here as well. Not that you really need that. I couldn't see myself carrying it like this, but I guess it's nice. But yeah, very easy to store. You can put up in a cupboard and save it. I'm not sure about expiration on these. I don't know if they ever do go bad. Yeah, I think they're pretty good, so you can hold on to them for a while. But yeah, if you're building a succulent garden this summer or any time in the future, you're going to need some activated carbon pellets to make sure your plants stay nice and healthy. So I would definitely recommend checking out Imagitarium's brand and, getting some from them. Alrighty guys, have fun.